Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm all set to transform this skirt. It was a dress originally that I was given, but it was way too big for me, so I turned it into this skirt. But truth be told, I didn't wear it all summer because the colors are not my style at all, so I had this brilliant idea to turn it into a super comfy sleep set for those cozy nights at home. I'm going for maximum comfort and flowiness here. So for the top, I stumbled upon this free circle tank top sewing pattern that's perfect for this Flowy project. Just check out the link in the description box below to download it. As for the shorts pattern, I decided to go for a cute culotte style, and I found a free PDF file with pattern drafting instructions for it. After you download it, just follow those instructions and you'll be good to go. These are the tank top halves cut out with the bias tape. And these are the shorts pattern pieces, but I didn't end up using the waistband. If you're gonna draft your shorts following the PDF file, you'll notice that my shorts pattern look different because I went for a super short vibe, especially on the sides, but you can make them as long or as short as you like. That's pretty much all you need to know. As a first thing, I overlocked all the edges of the shorts pattern pieces. Then with right size facing, I sewed the curved edge of the back shorts pattern together. I then did the same for the front half of the shorts. After that, I pressed all those seam allowances open. Next, I laid both halves of the shorts down with right size kissing again and sewed up the sides. Again, I pressed the seam allowance open, and after that I sewed the crotch seam. And again, don't forget to press the seam allowance open. Then I quickly hemmed the shorts by folding the overlocked edge in once and then again. Then I tried the shorts on and decided to trim a couple centimeters from the top off because I didn't need that extra length at the end. Then I folded the top edge in to create a tunnel for the elastic. I sewed it all around and I left a small opening unsewed so that I could insert the elastic. Once inserted, I sewed the ends of the elastic together and I closed up the hole. And the shorts were finished. Now for the top, I simply placed both halves together with right size kissing and sewed the sides using a straight stitch as always. Afterward, I pressed those seam allowances open and did a quick hem job just like I did with the shorts. Then it was time to address the neckline, so I cut off a piece of bias tape and applied it to the neckline. Lastly, I grabbed a longer piece of bias tape, about 100 centimeters long, marked the middle of it and matched it to the top side seam. Then I sandwiched the top in between the bias tape like this. I sewed from one end of the strap to the other and it looked like this. I tied the straps into bows and the top was complete. I'm not gonna show you how it looks on me since the shorts are a bit too cheeky, but as you can see, Both hems are nice and crisp. The bias tape at the neckline looks great, and the straps are good too. I reckon they would have been better if I made them about 20 centimeters longer for a bit more stylish look with longer ties hanging from the bows, but yeah, the tank came out pretty darn well. This set is exactly what I had in mind, super flowy and comfortable. I'm definitely gonna use it now. If you guys enjoyed this video and it inspired you, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And that's pretty much it. This time I'm hopefully back to regular uploads, so stay tuned for the next week's video. Bye!